In this demonstration, we will rapidly model a piping system. Using the equipment added previously, we will design the dry goods conveying system. As we model the pipe system, it is important to validate it against the P&ID drawings and check for clashes. Before we start modeling, we will activate a task to manage and track changes. We will define and manage system branches within the System Manager and connect the discharge compressors with a pipeline. When placing fittings and valves or running pipe, we can specify an offset to ensure the part is placed a set distance from other parts of the model. The pipe connecting the compressor to the fitting can be auto-routed in place based on the fittings, pipes, and connections allowable in the shipyard. Different options that fit within the constraints appear, and additional fittings are automatically inserted if required. If the routed pipe exceeds the length of stock available in the shipyard, a warning appears, and we can automatically split the pipe. We notice that a clash between the pipe and the air receiver tank has been automatically found after routing this section. If we have modeled pipe that results in clashes, we can easily adjust existing pipe runs. The next step is to route a pipe run from the discharge compressor pipeline to the air dryer. A pipe fitting or valve can be inserted directly into an existing pipe run. Appropriate connections will then be added automatically, including flanges if required. We can pre-sketch the center line of a pipe run and then route along it. The pipe will be routed using a bend radius as defined by the user or predefined by the constraints of the available pipe bending machines. Often, we need to connect two pipe runs without knowing exactly where they intersect. We will place a pipe fitting at the apparent intersection of two pipes. The existing pipe sections can then be connected into a pipe branch. Existing pipe runs or entire systems can be easily copied to streamline the routing process. If an elbow needs to be placed into an angled pipeline section, it will be routed and cut back to the required angle. All piping elements have a parametric relationship that allows us to modify a pipe run while keeping all parts connected. A drain can be added to the pipe system by inserting a socket fitting onto the header pipe. After we modeled the pipeline, we will validate the design against the P&ID drawing. Now that we have modeled and verified the dry bulk conveying system, we are ready to prepare the model for the build phase. For more information, visit www.ssi-corporate.com.